Need to access voice recorder app quickly on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, whether you want to start new recording or do something with your saved voice recording. You can set the side button to open the voice recorder app just by double pressing it. Here's how to do it. Head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. Tap voice recorder. Next, tap the settings icon next to it. And then select open voice recorder. That's it. Now, whenever you double press the side button, the voice recorder app will launch right away. However, if you use this shortcut while your phone is locked, you need to enter your screen lock first before you can access your saved voice recording. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.